a gear ratio R to S is the ratio of the number of teeth of the two connected gears, and 2 ratio of the number of revolution per minute of two gear wheel is S to R. So in the diagram, gear A is turned by a motor and then it is connected with a B and C. Gear A is rotated by the motor at a rate of 100 RPM. What is the number of RPM for gear C? So they want you to find out the ratio for RPM gear A and gear C. So we are trying to find what is the ratio for teeth for A and C. A and C has a teeth of each gear has a 20 teeth and then 10 teeth. That's a ratio of gear, which is a R to S. But if you want to know what is the ratio of RPM, you switch the number, which is the RPM ratio for A to C will be switch it, which is 10 to 20. That's what they said. And then they gave you the actual RPM for gear A as 100. So then RPM for gear C will be 200. That's what I do. And then in the xy plane, the graph of 2x squared minus 6x plus 2y squared plus 2y equal to 45 is a circle. What is a radius? If this one given as a circle, we have to change it into standard form of a circle, which is x minus h to the square plus y minus k to the square equal to r square, which is hk as a center of the circle, and then radius will be r. So to do that, I will complete the square. To complete the square, you have to have a leading coefficient of x squared and y squared to be a 1. So I cannot have a 2. So everything divide by 2 first. And then I'm going to rewrite x squared minus 3x plus y squared plus y equal to 45 over 2. And then to complete the square, x squared minus 3x plus, you have to add something, c, and then y squared plus y plus c. So in that way, you can add those two expressions on the right side to make a equal. And to find out what is a c, half of the x term, which is a negative 3, half of that to the square will be going here, which is a 9 over 4. And this one, y terms, the number is a 1 over half of that. To the square will be 1 over 4. So you add 9 over 4, 1 over 4. And to make a perfect square form for this one, since you found the value expression, half of the b term b over 2 will be negative 3 over 2. Negative 3 over 2 will be here. To the square plus y plus 1 over 2 to the square. And then if you add those three numbers, 45 over 2 plus 9 over 4 plus 1 over 4 will be 25. Then from here, I can tell the center of the circle will be opposite, which is a 3 over 2, and negative 1 over 2 will be the center. And r square value is a 25, so r will be 5. That's what I do. So since they're asking what is the radius, I can say it is a 5. And then the next number here, I'm going to erase these parts here. And two different points on the number line are both 3 units from the points with a coordinate negative 4. So if you draw a number line, there's a negative 4 here for the coordinate. And then the distance from here to the both direction is a 3 units. Then what is this one? Then those number, I will say x. And how do you express this situation? The distance between x and negative 4 will be 3. That's what I do. So distance expression will be absolute value. So absolute value x minus negative 4 will be 3. Then I can rewrite, you subtract with a negative number will be x plus 4 equal to 3. So the answer will be A.